If there is Microsoft Edge battery drain issue on your Windows 11, then you are at the right place, as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Microsoft Edge is one of the popular and secure web browsers. Some users reported an issue with Microsoft Edge. According to them, the battery of their laptop drains out quickly when using Microsoft Edge. If you experience a Microsoft Edge battery drain issue on your Windows 11 laptop, follow this video to fix this problem. Method 1. Check for updates. First of all, check if your Microsoft Edge is up to date. Open Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots on the top right side and select Settings. Select About Microsoft Edge from the left side. Edge will automatically check for updates. If the updates are available, download and install them. After installing the updates, relaunch Edge. Now check if the issue persists. If you are already using the latest version of Edge, you will see the Microsoft Edge is up to date message. Method 2. Enable Efficiency Mode. Microsoft Edge has an efficiency mode that helps users save their device battery and reduce power consumption while using the Microsoft Edge browser. If this mode is turned off, Edge may consume more power. Check if this mode is enabled or not. Open Microsoft Edge Settings. Select the System and Performance category from the left side. Turn on the efficiency mode. Method 3. Enable Sleeping Tabs. If Sleeping Tabs is enabled, Edge makes the inactive tab sleep after a particular time of inactivity. By doing this, Edge saves resources. If this feature is turned off on your system, turn it on. Open Edge Settings. Go to System and Performance. Under the Optimize Performance section, turn on the switch next to Save Resources with Sleeping Tabs. Now turn on the Fade Sleeping Tabs option. This feature will fade out the sleeping tabs so you can identify them easily. You can also select the time after which you want Edge to make your tabs sleep. However, if you enable the efficiency mode, this option will be grayed out and tabs will sleep after 5 minutes of activity. Method 4. Disable Hardware Acceleration. Disabling this feature can also help reduce power consumption by Microsoft Edge. You can disable it following this guide. Method 5. Disable Startup Boost. The Startup Boost feature in Edge helps it to open faster. This can result in the consumption of more power on your device. Therefore, you can turn it off. Open Edge Settings. Go to System and Performance. Disable Startup Boost and continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed options under the System section. Method 6. Troubleshoot Extensions. The problem might be due to an extension installed in Edge. To troubleshoot this, disable all the extensions following this guide and then use Edge. Now see if Edge consumes more power or not. If the problem disappears after doing that, one of the installed extensions is causing the issue. Now you have to identify that problematic extension. Once you find it, uninstall it and find its alternative. Method 7. Switch to another web browser. If nothing works, you can switch to another web browser. Chrome, Firefox and Brave are some other secure and fast web browsers that you can use as Edge alternatives. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.